Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Arts 10, Quarter 1, Op Art and Pop Art, Abstractionism Sub-Movement. Let's begin. Op Arts, late 1950s and 1960s. Op art is an art movement that uses abstract patterns, often in black and white, to create illusions of movement, flashing, or warping. Its optical effects make patterns appear dynamic, revealing hidden images or causing visual vibration. Op art's distinct characteristics. Number 1. Illusion of movement. Number 2. High contrast. Number 3. Geometric patterns. Number 4. Visual vibration. Number 5. Depth and perspective. Number 6. Hidden images. Number 7. Optical effects. Op artist. Victor Vasarely, 1906 to 1997. Works of Vasarely: Zebra 1937, Vega 200, 1968. Bridget Riley, April 24, 1931, 91 years old. Works of Riley: Movement in Squares, 1961, Blazes Study 1962. Richard Anaskiewicz, 1930 to 2020. Works of Anaskiewicz: Fluorescent Complement 1960, Knowledge and Disappearance 1961. Pop art, popular art. Distinct characteristics of pop art. Number 1. Use of popular culture. Number 2. Bold colors and high contrast. Number 3. Repetition. Number 4. Commercial techniques. Number 5. Everyday objects. Pop artist. Richard Hamilton, 1922 to 2011. Works of Hamilton: Just What Is It That Makes Today Home Different So Appealing, 1956. Interior 1964. Andy Warhol, 1928 to 1987. Works of Warhol: Shop Maryland's 1962, Coca-Cola 1962. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. God bless.